Yippee! It's unboxing time of Mavic Mini DJI drone. So the market for drones is growing at a rapid pace. There's a lot of drones hitting at the skies. So what's the drone craze is all about? And what is so cool that the drones, people are actually going out and buying them in waves. Some people want to get a drone simply because it is the hot and new technology, and there's a lot of fun in using it. It gives your photography business to an ultimate edge. The biggest thrill. They can take stunning aerial photos and videos, and they don't have to be expert photographers to get those shots. With DJI Mavic Mini app, your phone will display exactly the camera on your drone is seeing. So instead of looking up at the drone in the skies always, you can look at your phone and get a view of what your drone's camera is looking at. Why DJI Mavic Mini? So this is small, light, portable, and very pocketable. And importantly, this is lighter than your phone. It has solid camera specs for the price, and you need to open this on the front first and then at the back. And excellent, 3-axis stabilization. And it has nearly 30 minutes of flying time. And the biggest part is you need not have to register with the FAA, just plain fun and fly. It's the perfect drone for travel, even hiking or backpacking. And precisely the weight takeoff is only 249 grams. It can shoot 2.7K video and can reach 16,000 feet vertically and can range 2.5 miles from you. For the rest of us, the 2.7K footage looks great, and the 3-axis stabilization yields far smoother results than the 2-axis stabilized Spark was ever capable of capturing. The tiny frame is a 24mm lens with a fixed 2.8 aperture. The image sensor is capable of 12 megapixel still images and a video at 2.7K and a 1080 at 30p. And the results are very impressive, especially considering the size of the package. So in this pack, you have the aircraft, you have a remote controller. This is kept out here. You can pull it out and place it out here. I need to unhold the antennas and the mobile device. You need to add your mobile phone out here. And this is very user friendly. You even have additional propellers. This is the 360 propeller guard. In case if you're using it for the first time, you can simply use it, and this will give a good guard for your drone. Charger bank and the batteries as well. Tomorrow I'm going to try my hands on it. So first video has to be my own city, Kolkata. So tomorrow let's see. And till that time, stay tuned and do subscribe and like and share if you like all my videos, upcoming videos. So see ya.